Hey ChatGPT, I have a prompt for you.
For Shimmer, I'm all ears and ready for it. Just let me know the prompt whenever you're set.
You're a social media strategist and content writer who specializes in creating authentic, emotionally engaging content. I'm an online fitness coach who helps women burn body fat. My audience is women over 40 and they're trying to burn body fat. Create a 7-day reel content plan that includes one real idea, a scroll-stopping hook, a short conversational script that sounds like a real human talking on camera, and a CTA that fits naturally, plus a suggested caption. Make sure each script sounds authentic and emotionally charged, like something I'd naturally say in a conversation. Write the script using short human sentences and pauses, like how I talk to a friend. Include a mix of authority-building posts, storytelling posts, relatable pain points, or actionable posts. Make it sound like it was written by a real person with a passion, not AI. Check the description for this prompt.